Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Ariana, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys affordable product that you can use to brighten up your skin. If you are someone who is on a budget, or you are a student and you are looking for a skincare product that will last you longer and yet serve its purpose, and this purpose is to make sure your skin is bright, your skin is smooth, and you're having a radiant glowing skin at all times. And this product will work well both in the morning and in the evening, so you don't have to be getting a different product for your face in the morning or getting a different product on your skin at night. So the first on my list is to have a bath gloves. The reason why you need bath gloves is because if you cannot afford a body scrub, because body scrub this period you will not even see a good one for 2,000 naira anymore like before. They've all gone up. So with just a bath glove of 1,000 naira, you can exfoliate your skin, because this is a natural exfoliant. When you use it to scrub your skin, you can actually feel there is something harsh going on your skin. So when you actually soak this in water and then use it to scrub your skin alone without any other thing, you're going to still serve a little purpose in exfoliating your skin. That's someone on a budget who cannot afford a body scrub. So the next thing is to get the Nano Extra White Bar Soap. This Nano Extra White Soap is going to brighten up your skin, lighten your skin, and help you with hyperpigmentation. If you know that you have been entering the sun without sunscreen and some part of your body is not looking very darker or not looking as shining as the inside of your body, then go and be using the Nano Extra White. So this soap is going to even out your skin and make your entire skin to have the same complexion and that same glow. So this soap is something you need, and it is sold for around 1,800 naira to 2,000 naira depending on where you are getting it from. And even if you are a student, you'll be able to afford this soap because it lasts longer. And the only thing is just to make sure that this soap does not get soaked with water, because when it gets soaked with water it will easily melt away. If you keep it in a very dry place, this soap will last you for up to 2 weeks. So the next thing you need is an affordable face cream that's also going to last you longer, and I'm going to be recommending this Pure Carrot face cream. This face cream is sold for 4,000 to 5,000 naira. That's how much I got it, and this face cream will last you for a long period of time. Despite how small the container is, this face cream lasts longer because a little of this face cream go a long way. But mind you, when you want to get this face cream, please don't get the fake of it, because when you get the fake of it, you are going to be getting reactions like acne, dark spots on your face. But when you get this original one, so I'm going to be showing you, this is the fake one, this one here. This is the fake one of this face cream, and this one is the original of this face cream. So when you get the original one, you are going to notice a good result. And for you to know more about this fake and the original, I'm going to explain the difference between the fake and the original, so that when you are buying it, you don't go and buy the fake, because this face cream is so good. That is why they are producing the fake of it, because people who have used this face cream knows how good it is. And I've explained all the good parts of this face cream on my video, and here you will hardly really know which is the fake and the original. But when you watch that video that I dropped on the description box explaining the fake and the original, you will be able to spot the fake immediately you see it in a supermarket. So make sure you get the original one. It is very affordable and it's going to last you longer, and it's going to help to remove acne and acne spots on your face and keep your skin to be very beautiful. This is not a whitening face cream, it's not a lightening face cream, it is a brightening face cream. So it will not bleach your face. It's going to keep your skin very moisturized, smooth, and radiant. So now for your body, I'll recommend the Fair and White So White lotion. This one is a very brightening lotion. For someone that cannot afford a brightening lotion like this, I will recommend you go for the Nivea Radiant and Beauty lotion. This one will also give you a brighter skin. This is like a cheap version of the Fair and White lotion. That's how I just see the two of them. This is a cheap one of this one. It's not like this one will now work better than this, because this is very expensive. Like the Fair and White lotion is sold for around 21,000. So this one is sold for around 5,500. So you cannot compare the price and the effect. But honestly, when you get this one, you are still going to enjoy it as much as someone who is using this, because they are not bleaching lotion. They are just lotion to moisturize your skin and give an even skin tone. And this one is also very big. It's going to last you longer. So just like I've showed you guys, I gave you guys two options, and here again in the sunscreen, I'm also going to give you guys two options to choose from. This two sunscreen is sold for almost the same price, around 7,000 to 8,000 naira. That's how much this sunscreen are being sold. But you can see the quantity of this one is very small, the quantity of this one is very big, and they are both very effective. I won't lie, I have used the two of them. They are very effective. The major difference is just that when you apply this one on your face, it's very glowy. Like your face will just be shiny. But when you apply this one on your face will not be as shiny and glowy as this one. Your face will just be looking very normal when you just apply the Gavia sunblock on your face. But this bio UV sunscreen will give you a very glowing skin when you apply it on your face. Now, for someone who is on a budget, which one will you buy? You definitely go for this one, because this one will last you for like 6 months. Depending on even how you use it, this sunscreen will last you longer because it's very thick. A little of this goes a long way. But this one, when you just apply it within 3 weeks to 1 month, this sunscreen is already exhausted. Now, for someone who's on a budget, I would highly recommend you go for the Gavia sunblock, because this one will last you longer and you will get more benefit from this sunscreen. Now, with these products, you are going to notice a very big difference on your skin. Your skin will still be shiny and glowy. Whether you're on a budget, nobody will even know, because your skin will be speaking as someone who is on a good skincare routine. And this product that I showed you guys is really a good product to use for your skincare routine. So that brings us to the end of the video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to get notified first anytime I upload a new video. See you guys in my next video.